If you're experiencing circulation problems, you know how much they can affect your daily life, limiting the activities you enjoy and impacting your overall well-being. I understand the impact of these symptoms, and I'm here to help. Hi, I'm Dr. Irfan Imami, and I'm a vascular surgeon. I specialize in treating conditions that affect circulation and blood flow, including leg swelling, varicose veins, hardening of arteries, and aneurysms. My approach always begins with a complete evaluation using ultrasound and other diagnostic tests to establish a baseline that guides your personalized treatment plan. Depending on your diagnosis, we may recommend angiograms, minimally invasive procedures, or surgery, always choosing the least invasive option that will deliver the most effective results. Patients with mild disease may be able to manage symptoms through exercise, lifestyle modifications, and building circulation naturally, avoiding or postponing surgery. We'll have honest conversations about how to best manage your care. I believe in treating everyone with dignity and respect, offering clear communication so you truly understand your diagnosis and treatment options. My goal is to slow disease progression, improve your quality of life, and prevent further complications. It's about providing a lifetime of compassionate care and to ensure you remain as healthy as possible so you can continue to participate in the things you enjoy.